Hello, in this video we're going to be creating a social distancing detector with OpenCV, Yolo, and Python. So before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe. So you'll need to go to this GitHub repo right here. Credit to this person right here for creating the code, it's not mine. So first we need to go to our file. We'll create a new folder. Let's say new folder, we'll call it social distancing. Alright, and we'll double click on it, and we'll go up here and type in cmd. Alright, now we're in here. We want to download the repo to this folder through git clone. So we'll just copy this right here and paste it. Press enter. So this will take a couple minutes. Alright, so once it's done, what we need to do is we need to change our directory to the social distancing detector right here. Alright, and now we're in here. We need to install all the requirements. Just paste it here. I've already installed them, so we'll say requirement already satisfied. And now what we need to do is install the weights and add them to our folder. So I've already installed them, and thankfully he leaves the link here, so if you just press here it'll start installing them. But since I have it already, I just went to my downloads. I'm just gonna copy it. Alright, we'll paste it in this folder. Now, I want to mention one thing. If you do have a GPU and if it's already set up with OpenCV and CUDNN and CUDA and the whole toolkit, you can go to the configs and go to the config.py. If you want to enable GPU usage, you can just highlight here and type in true and just press Ctrl S and run the whole setup again, and it should do it a bit faster. Okay, now once it's there, what you need to do to run this code is just copy it from here. So I set it on display 1 so that you can see the process as it's going through the whole thing frame by frame. It's a 21-second video and it goes through it frame by frame, and it shows this, and it'll take around a minute or two, and once it's done it'll output a final video. Alright, so once it's done, it should show you this line over here. And now if we go to the folder back here, we can see that there's a new video called output. If we double click on that, you can see there's a full video. So you see these two people here are close to each other as well as here. So there's this large group back here. But you can see people who are far away from each other shows green, and it'll also show you how many people are close to each other right here. Pretty nice, and it also looks very smooth and looks like it's working very well. Alright, so that's pretty much the whole video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.